So good morning one and all. I am Naveen and we are having Siddharth with us. So Siddharth, as we all are gathered here to discuss about the book named Rich Dad Poor Dad. So it is the very basic book regarding it has a knowledge of investment, savings and other complements which we see in our daily life. So can you tell us about the writer of that book, that what is the name of that writer?
First of all, thank you, Naveen, that you invited me here, and I'm very glad that I am talking to you. So thank you for that thing. So, like you have asked me question about Rich Dad and Poor Dad and who's the writer of that book. So, in my point of view, that book writer name is, I think, Robert Kiyosaki,
Okay.
and that book is all about money. So that book that book is about Rich Dad and Poor Dad. It's all about how to make money and how to invest money. And in that book, for a, that book can be read all kind of people, whether your age is 50 plus or whether your age is less than 50. So in that book you will learn about money, how to make money, how to invest money, and no, you don't take tension. So that is important thing in my point of view.
So Siddharth, my next question will be the basic question regarding the book Rich Dad Poor Dad. You told us about the writer. The writer's name is Robert Kiyosaki. You are really right. But can you tell me the start point of that book? What is the start point?
I don't have answer.
Okay, I think I suppose I just bought the book. One day I buy the book in real, that Robert Kiyosaki. In start he was narrating a story of a boy who is having two fathers. Can you recall that?
So in that book, one boy is there and two father. That boy have two father.
Yes.
One is biological, his father, and that father is poor, and the
Okay.
second father is rich. The first father, who is poor, he have a degree, good degree,
Yeah.
and the second father, who don't have degree but have a good knowledge of money.
Okay.
So he always curious about life, that he want to make money, and he see his father, poor father, that his father struggling for money, and don't and saying to him that don't take struggle in life, and but when he take advice from his rich father, which that father that his father don't have degree, he have knowledge about money, and he always when he asks question to his father, so he give good advice to him, that if you don't take risk, so then how you will earn money, and in everything risk is there. So you have to take risk, and first you have knowledge, then you go for risk, because without risk you cannot achieve anything. Because when you have a knowledge of a particular thing, that how to make money and how to invest money, so basically you need information. So you first take information, then you do whatever you want to do, in my point of view.
So Siddharth, as you explained, after reading the book, we came to know about the best use of money, Siddharth. So there are some important tips, I think, which can be explained by you very well. First of all, earning. What is the best source of earning, and what is the best medium to save or invest? Should we invest and save first? What can we do with our earning, as per your opinion?
In my point of view, first you have to save money, and then you go for invest, because if you don't have money, then how you will invest? So first you earn money, first you have to make source of income, that you will earn money from a particular thing, and then you save that money, some amount, and then you go for investment. And investment give you good return in a long way, so you have to always think about a long term period, not a short term period. About, like, if you spend money for long term, like 2 years or 1 year, so it will give you more return.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So Siddharth, thanks a lot. Actually, it will help all the viewers, and thanks for giving your precious time. Thank you, Siddharth.
Thank
See
you,
you
Mr.
next
Naveen.
time.
Thank you.
Thank you.